Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. A very good morning to all of you. Today in this video, I'll be discussing the TET medical paper which held on 21st November 2021. So I'll discuss all the sections in this one video. So without wasting time, let's move on. So first I'll discuss the psychology portion. So question number 1 is, when prior learning facilitates new learning, it is called dash transfer of learning. तो जब प्रायर लर्निंग एनहांस करती है, फैसिलिटेट करती है न्यू लर्निंग को, तो उसे हम पॉजिटिव टाइप ऑफ लर्निंग कहते हैं. सो हेयर आंसर सी विल बी द करेक्ट वन. ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट वन. Next question is question number 2. The linguistic relativity hypothesis that proposes the view that language determines the content of thought was presented by. So correct option is Benjamin Lee Worf. Question number 3 is, children's thinking is qualitatively different from adults and that it changes over time idea was presented by Jean Piaget. C will be the correct option. Next question is, what are the secondary reinforcers? So motivation. C is the correct option. Next question is question number 5. What is that type of learning in which a new behavior is learned but not demonstrated till reinforcement is provided for displaying it? So correct option is latent learning. B will be the correct option here. Next question is, following are some techniques to manage anxiety due to an approaching examination except. So correct option is B, thinking too much about the result. क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक्सेप्ट पूछा गया है, सो ऑप्शन बी, थिंकिंग टू मच अबाउट द रिजल्ट के बारे में ज़्यादा सोच के कुछ भी नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनॉमी इज अ हायरार्कियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ. सो कॉग्निटिव ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Next question is question number 8. Features assigned due to social roles and not due to biological endowment are called gender role stereotypes. C will be the correct option here. Next question is question number 9. Gifted students are divergent thinkers. B will be the correct option. Question number 10. The conclusion children can learn violent behavior depicted in movies may be derived on the basis of the work done by which of the following psychologists? So correct option will be C, Albert Bandura. Next question. Positive reinforcement increases the chance of. Correct option is B, reinforcement. So that is the positive reinforcement increases the chance of desirable response. So B will be the correct option here. B will be the correct option. Next question is, salivation in response to sound of bell is called conditioned response. C will be the correct option here. Next question is question number 13th. What is the main reason for individual differences in intelligence? So heredity and environment is the main reason for individual differences in intelligence. So C will be the correct option here. Next question is, by the age of 3, how much vocabulary a child has? So correct option is D, 500 words. Question number 15. Who was the first to conduct study on instrumental conditioning? Correct option is D, Skinner. Next question is, logical thinking by adolescent that why something is happening the way it is and systematically seek solutions is called B, hypothetical deductive reasoning. B will be the correct option here. Question number 17 is, the process in which unconditioned stimulus is presented before the conditioned stimulus is called backward conditioning. D will be the correct option. Next question is, which type of reinforcement schedule produce greater resistance to extinction? So C will be the correct option, partial reinforcement. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सिफेलोकॉर्डल फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट रेफर्स टू. सो सिफेलोकॉर्डल जो फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट होती है दैट इज फ्रॉम द अपर पार्ट टू द लोअर पार्ट. सो हेयर ऑप्शन डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, just as children pass through the various stages of cognitive development, they pass through the various stages of moral development was proposed by. So correct option here, Lawrence Kohlberg. A will be the correct option. Next, 21st question is, one factor theory of intelligence was given by. So correct option is Alfred Binet. स्पीयरमैन ने टू फैक्टर थ्योरी दी थी और बिने ने वन फैक्टर थ्योरी. सो डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर. Next is, who proposed that mind is a joint, cultural construction and emerges as a result of interaction between children and adult. Correct option is Vygotsky. C will be the correct option. 23rd question is, characteristic of a test that it measures what it claims to measure is called validity. B will be the correct option. The word mental testing was firstly presented by J.M. Cattle. A will be the correct option here. Next question is 25th question है हमारा, who proposed that giftedness depends on interaction of high ability, high creativity and high commitment. So correct option is C, Joseph Renzulli. Next question is, which of the parenting style makes children socially responsive, able to control aggression, self-confident and able to take independent decisions? So authoritarian, autocratic. D will be the correct option. Next is, individual learns from his own mistake. The statement is based on which learning theory? Correct option is C, trial and error. Next question is, according to John Dewey, school is a dash institution and education is a dash process. So school is a social institution and education is a social process. A will be the correct option here. 29th question is, according to Piaget, the stage of cognitive development has a characteristic that this they are they are reversible. C will be the correct option. Question number 30, in Piaget's stage of cognitive development, conservation is achieved during pre-operational stage. B will be the correct option. So with this, our psychology portion is over. Now moving on to the next, let's discuss the questions of chemistry section. So the main gas responsible for greenhouse effect is carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbon both. So correct option is D, both B and C. Next question is, the main ingredient of the medicine to treat hyperacidity is. So correct option is ALOH whole thrice. Next question is, while diluting sulfuric acid, it is recommended that the acid should be added to water because dilution of acid is highly exothermic. B will be the correct option. Next question is, deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? So correct option is vitamin A. C will be the correct option here. 35th question is, which element is used as a promoter in Haber's process? Molybdenum. So B will be the correct option here. Which of the following will undergo corrosion most easily? So zinc will be the correct option, option C. 37th question is, natural rubber is a polymer derived from isoprene. C will be the correct option. Next question is, isotopes atom differ in numbers of neutrons. A will be the correct option. 39th question is, which of the following is most reactive non-metal? So correct option is sulfur. A will be the correct option. Isobar of argon is. So isobar, तो यहाँ पर जो है करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. आइसोबार होते हैं जिसमें एटॉमिक नंबर डिफरेंट होते हैं और मास नंबर सेम होते हैं. तो यू नो दैट कि एटॉमिक नंबर नीचे लिखा जाता है एंड जो आपका मास नंबर है वो ऊपर लिखा जाता है. तो यहाँ पर जो आइसोबार होगा वो होगा आपका ए ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट हैज़ लार्जेस्ट एटॉमिक रेडियस? सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सीजियम. B will be the correct option here. Next question is, the process to separate the grain from the chaff is threshing. C will be the correct option. The difference between boiling and evaporation is that evaporation can take place at any temperature while boiling cannot. B will be the correct option. आपको पता है boiling point जो है वो term भी होती है एक. Next question is, which polymer is used in bulletproof glass? So Lexan polymer. A will be the correct option. First atomic theory was proposed by John Dalton. A will be the correct option. Which among the following is known as superhalogen? Fluorine is known as superhalogen as it has higher electronegativity as well as higher reactivity. Next question is, the permanent hardness of water is removed by washing soda. B will be the correct option. Acid generally stored in battery is. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, C will be the correct option. Which element has highest negative electron gain enthalpy? So chlorine will be the correct option, option B. 50th question is, water drop is spherical due to surface tension, C will be the correct option. Which acid is present in lemon? Citric acid, A will be the correct option. pH of blood is, so correct option is 7.4. Most abundant rare gas in the atmosphere is argon, C will be the correct option. Bakelite is used in making electrical appliances because it is a good insulator of electricity, C will be the correct option. Next question is, pure water can be obtained from sea water by reverse osmosis. बहुत बार क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. B will be the correct option. Which one of the following alloy contains non-metal as one of its constituents? A. Steel will be the correct option. Which type of medicine is used to lower body temperature? Lower body temperature. Antipyretic medicine. B will be the correct option. Which of following is not a Lewis base? BF3. D will be the correct option. It is not a Lewis base. Bleeding is stopped by application of alum to a wound because जब हम alum लगाते हैं तो bleeding क्यों stop हो जाती है? Because alum coagulates the blood and form a clot. A will be the correct option. So 60th question is, if the pressure on a liquid increases, its boiling point increases. C will be the correct option. With this question, our chemistry section is over. Now moving on to the next section, that is of biology. So first question of biology is, which of the plant growth hormone is recognized by Japanese scientists? Correct option is gibberellins. B will be the correct option. The age of trees is determined by its growth rings. C will be the correct option. How many pollen sac does each anther have? 4 will be the correct option. Next question is, lac is produced from an insect. So correct option is B. Next question is, eyes of potato are useful for vegetative propagation. D will be the correct option. 66th question is, which of following is an insectivorous plant? So correct option is Nepenthes. 67th question is, pneumatophores are found in halophytes. A will be the correct option. Phylloclade is a modified stem. A will be the correct option. Which part of plant gives us turmeric? Stem will be the correct option because turmeric is the rhizome or underground stem. So C will be the correct option. Phototropism is a property of a plant and means जिसमें movement होती है plants की towards the light. So यहाँ पर correct option will be A, movement of plant toward light. Next question is, a plant which reproduces by the means of spores. Ferns will be the correct option, option C. An edible underground stem is. Ginger will be the correct option, option A. Next question is, which of these is a modified underground stem? Potato. D will be the correct option. Next question, the floral part that receives pollen grains during pollination is. So correct option is stigma. Pollination की definition भी यही होती है, the transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. So stigma is the receptive part. Next is, which of these is a micronutrient for plants? So correct option is boron. Next question, which of the following is the correct description of tissue culture, growth and propagation of horticultural crops? B will be the correct option. Study of field crops is called agronomy. B will be the correct option. Select the biofertilizer in the following. So D, algae and blue-green algae is the correct option. Next question is, anemophily is pollination by, correct option is wind. Which of the following food crops has the maximum content of proteins? Soya beans. B will be the correct option. Which of the following does not cause pollution? Correct option is solar energy. Use of solar energy does not cause air pollution. Next question is excess amount of absorbed water by plants is liberated out by transpiration. D will be the correct option. Type of vertebrate animals which creep and crawl are called reptiles. D will be the correct option. The food conducting tissue of a plant is phloem. A will be the correct option. 85th question is which of the following weeds has been found useful to check water pollution caused by industrial effluents? So Parthenium, A will be the correct option. Parthenium and water hyacinth. So correct option will be both A and C. D will be the correct option here. Next is hydroponics is a science devoted to. Correct option is B. Growing plants in water. Next is orange juice is rich in vitamin C. C will be the correct option. Next question is in tropical countries, deciduous trees shed their leaves in summer to avoid loss of water by transpiration. A will be the correct option. Next question, which of the following is not a waste material excreted by plants? Correct option is C, urine. Next question is quinine. The cure of malaria is obtained from the bark of cinchona. D will be the correct option here. तो यहीं पर बायोलॉजी सेक्शन में ही zoology जो है उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं. सो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है नेक्स्ट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कनेक्ट बोन्स टू बोन लिगामेंट और मसल टू बोन्स टेंडन्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज लिटरल मीनिंग द टर्म होमोसेपियंस इज man the wise. A will be the correct option. A potato tuber has been cut into two halves. A few drops of iodine solution are placed on the cut surface of one of the halves. What color change will be noticed? So correct option is from brown to blue black. Next question is a person will have brown eyes, blue eyes or black eyes depending on the particular pigment present in its. Correct option is C, iris. Next question is thalassemia is a hereditary disease. It affects blood. A will be the correct option. ये inherited blood disorder होता है. Next question is the term GM food refers to the food. So correct option is that is genetically modified. B will be the correct option. Next question is a man with color blindness will see red as green. C will be the correct option. Next question, a human embryo after how many weeks of development is referred to as fetus? D will be the correct option, 8. Next question, the term gene was coined by W.L. Johnson. B will be the correct option. William Bateson is called the father of modern genetics. D will be the correct option here. Next question is housefly spreads. Housefly spreads typhoid. D will be the correct option. Lockjaw is the last phase of which of following diseases? D. Tetanus will be the correct option. Which of these joints is a hinge joint? Elbow is the correct option. Which part of nervous system controls the activity of internal organs? Medulla oblongata is the correct option. In the human body, fats are stored in the adipose tissue. B will be the correct option. Which of the following is true? So correct option is RNA is the genetic material in all the viruses. D will be the correct option. Next question is amniocentesis is a method for determination of fetal health. A will be the correct option. Next question is which one of the following found only in women? Ovary is the correct option. Which one of the following is a hereditary disease? Hemophilia is the correct option. In digestion, proteins are converted to amino acids. C will be the correct option. The total number of ear bones is 3 in each bone. Total 6 होती हैं. So 3 in each bone. So यहाँ पर 6 ऑप्शन नहीं है. So एक ही ईयर का पूछा गया है. That is 3. C will be the correct option. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? So malaria, chloroquine. C will be the correct option. Blood pressure is controlled by adrenal gland. A will be the correct option. 114th question, the saliva secreted in the mouth digests स्टार्च, बी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। स्टार्च की डाइजेशन जो है वो माउथ में स्टार्ट हो जाती है, प्रोटीन्स की डाइजेशन जो है वो स्टमक में स्टार्ट होती है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज अ स्पॉन्ज। सो एन एनिमल, C will be the correct option. Which of the following is known as bodybuilder? Protein will be the correct option. Which of the following is a female sex hormone? Estrogen, A will be the correct option. Of all microorganisms, the most adaptable and versatile are viruses, A will be the correct option. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging, B will be the correct option. 120th question is bubo bubo is the scientific name of which of the following species? Eagle owl को बोलते हैं, D will be the correct option here. With this, our biology section is over. Now moving on to the next section, that is of journal awareness. So for 121 question है हमारा, ISRO is going to launch satellite Amazonia 1 from PSLV C-51 rocket. Amazonia 1 is related to which country? Brazil. D will be the correct option. Which country's largest naval ship, the Kursk, sank after catching fire on 2nd June 2021? Iran will be the correct option. Justice Hema Kohli has been sworn in as the first woman Chief Justice of which High Court? Telangana. D will be the correct option. Which scheme has been started by the central government for the children who have lost their parents due to corona? PM Cares for Children scheme will be the correct option. Unfinished, a memoir, is an autobiography of which Bollywood celebrity? So correct option is C, that is Priyanka Chopra. Next question is, who led the Suket Satyagraha in 1948? Pandit Padamdev, D will be the correct option. Which place in Himachal Pradesh is known as the Peach Bowl of Asia? So Rajgarh, B will be the correct option. In which year Shimla Municipal Committee established? 1851. C will be the correct option. Who became the 17th Speaker of Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Vipin Singh Parmar. C will be the correct option. Next question is, when was the Chief Minister One Bigga scheme launched in Himachal Pradesh? So 21st May 2020. A will be the correct option. Which film was awarded the Best Film Award at 92nd ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन 10 फरवरी 2020? ये उस टाइम के जो है वो करंट अफेयर्स पूछे गए थे, जिस टाइम नवंबर 2021 में ये एग्ज़ाम हुआ था, तो करंट अफेयर्स पूछे गए थे मोस्टली. सो दीज क्वेश्चंस आर रिलेटेड टू द करंट अवेयरनेस, करंट अफेयर्स. सो यहाँ पर पैरासाइट, सी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड द मुक्ति कारवां campaign to spread awareness among people about child labor and human trafficking? Bihar. What is the name of the portal launched by the central government to expedite the construction work of national highways? Gati. C will be the correct option. Which one of the following schools is known for its arts only because of Brahmanism, Jainism and Buddhism? Mathura Kala Vidyalaya. Next question is, who composed Shiksha Ashtak, which was also called the essence of the scriptures? D. Chaitanya will be the correct option. Amazon has launched its first digital center in which state of India? Gujarat. Which state has been ranked first in the Sustainable Development Goals India Index 2020 to 21 released by Niti Aayog? B. Kerala. 138. In which year did the government of India nationalize 14 big commercial banks for the first time? 1969. Yaosang festival was celebrated in which state? Manipur. B will be the correct option. Which Indian economist was recently awarded the Princess of Asturias Award? So correct option is A. Amartya Sen. Next question is, which state was the Ayurveda Parva 2021 organized? Odisha. In which state is the Hazaraghat grassland that has been in discussion recently? Karnataka. Where will Olympic Games 2024 be held? Paris. Where is India's largest hockey stadium being built? Rourkela. By which amendment the age of voters has been reduced to 18 years? By 61st Amendment Act. That is option A. Next question is, Atal Tunnel comes under which mountain range? So correct option is Pir Panjal. Next is, which district got the national award for properly implementing the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program? Shimla. Brijeshwari Dham Makar Sankranti fair has been declared as state level where it was celebrated. Kangra, C will be the correct option. An important creation of the people of the Indus Valley was the idol of which of the following? Dancing Girl, B will be the correct option. And the last question is, Vice President Srimati Venkaiah Naidu has recently released souvenir postage stamp paying tribute to which late Prime Minister on his 101st birth anniversary, I.K. Gujral. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस पेपर एंड जो उस टाइम ये टैट आया था उस टाइम करंट अफेयर्स ज़्यादा पूछे गए थे, कई बार स्टेटिक जी की ज़्यादा पूछी जाती है. सो आपको स्टेटिक जी के और करंट अफेयर्स दोनों ही प्रिपेयर करके जाने हैं एग्ज़ाम के लिए. सो आई होप यू लाइक्ड माई वीडियो. Thanks for watching this. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Don't forget to like, comment, and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.